Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. I wanted to make a video about an update for a video that I posted in August, and I apologize in advance for not making this video sooner. As a matter of fact, I get comments every week about this particular situation with Goodwill, so finally I'm doing the video. Once again, I apologize for not doing the video sooner, and I'll let you know what the resolution was for this particular issue. If you're not familiar with this issue, definitely go up here. I'm going to leave a link to this original video that you see right here, and it'll basically explain everything that happened. But once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Definitely go down there, click the subscribe button, click the like button anytime during this video. That really helps the algorithm out, and some more people will be able to see this video. So really quick recap on this is I purchased an item, this item right here, a lot of Vinylmation figures back in August. There was, I want to say 40 something figures, and I paid about $160 or so for this lot. And the reason why I purchased this lot, it had an amazing amount of characters that were very, very high valued. This one in particular, I'm not sure if you can see my mouse, but this one in particular that's up here next to the panda with the red head, that easily goes for $300 without the card. There's gold one over here. That one goes for about $80 to $100, and then all these rest of them go anywhere between $10 to $80. I can get $80 for this little purple guy right here. This one goes for 20. This one goes for 20. This one goes for 15. This one goes for 25. This one goes for 25. There was just an extreme amount of older Vinylmation figures in this lot. I was super happy to get this lot. I paid for it. I waited pretty much almost a week, I want to say. I didn't get any information, no shipping, so I contacted customer service, and I actually made a big stink about it on social media with this particular auction. And so they got back to me like right away, because I think they saw this video, and like the same day that I posted this video, they got back to me. They quickly apologized and issued me a full refund, and we'll show you the email right now. This was sent like literally the same day. I did the video like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and they got right back to me. This Michael guy from shopgoodwill.com. Christopher, thank you for your message and purchase supporting the mission of Goodwill of Orange County. A full refund has been authorized. Please allow 3 to 8 days for a refund to post. We deeply and humbly apologize for the inconvenience. Item returned. Reason for being lost. So there was another email before this that I cannot find, basically saying that this particular auction was lost in the warehouse somewhere. And of course, my wheels started turning. Being in Orange County and knowing that there's a ton of Vinylmation collectors that are in that area, I'm sure someone, and this is just my opinion, I've never had an issue with Shop Goodwill ever. I've shopped with them over a dozen times. I've always had great shipping. I've always had fast service. And as a matter of fact, one time I went to go pick up a huge lot of Disney Infinity figures at their warehouse, because it was actually this warehouse, the Orange County warehouse. Now, in hindsight of the whole thing, I'm pretty sure there's a few things that could have happened. An employee saw this and took off with it, stole this item. Saw that these were high-end figures. That balloon chaser I said is like the holy grail, the little red dude with the blue body. That is the holy grail of Vinylmations, or one of them, I should say, one of the very top ones. That figure alone at the highest Vinylmation was very hot. That figure was going between $500 and $700. So someone saw this collection, and I'm sure someone walked right out the door with this collection. Either that, or Goodwill saw that, there was an extreme amount of figures, because I actually mentioned it in this video. Then they just realized maybe they should probably resell these figures, or it literally got lost. I don't know how something gets lost in a warehouse. When I've been to their warehouse in Orange County, it's very organized. Like I said, it just, to me, it just seemed very fishy that this would happen. And One time I actually bought a lot of Tonka trucks from shopgoodwill.com, and there was a couple of 1960s red lines in the packages buried in between another package of something, and I saw it and I ordered it, and that was actually a really crazy buy, and that happened to be like, I'm sure if someone in the warehouse saw that those were in there, they probably might have had the same fate. But anyways, like I said, I've never had an issue with shopgoodwill.com other than this, and I want to do a follow-up video. They literally gave me a refund that same day. I did have to wait the 3 to 8 days. I don't remember how long it took before I saw that item. But to be honest, I haven't shopped with them since. Um, they're actually really good, reputable shop. I don't know what happened in this particular situation, but I wanted to make this video to let you guys know what the final outcome was. I got a refund, and then they said pretty much basically that the item was lost in the warehouse. And in hindsight, what I meant to say before was I should have drove to the warehouse, which is about 40 minutes to 60 minutes from my house. The very next day I should have drove there and pick it up, and this might have happened. So I pretty much waited on them to ship this, and I've never had a problem with shipping. Those 3 to 4 to 5, 6, 7 days gave someone a amount of time to see what I had, what I bought. And like I said, it's my opinion. I honestly think they were stolen. Um, I don't inventory being lost. Like, there's no. To me, that means like there's a black hole that like there's a portal that opens up, and these things like quite disappear. And so, but anyways, they were very professional. They refunded my money. I was super bummed about this for a couple weeks because I've never had that balloon chaser in my collection. I was a heavy Vinylmation collector back in the day. There was a lot of figures in this collection that I really wanted. Like I said, I've never owned the balloon chaser. It was one of the holy grails of collecting Vinylmations, and to this day, I'm actually still kind of bummed about this whole thing. And so I wanted to make the video, let you guys know. Leave a comment below if you ever had a problem with Shop Goodwill. I saw some comments in the last video that we did, that there has been plenty issues. This is the first time, like I was saying, I've ever had an issue. I've never had an issue with Shop Goodwill. They've always been professional. Like I said, I went to go pick up my item one time, and it was very quick and easy, and the staff was very nice, and they brought my stuff right out, and I was very stoked about that. So once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Click the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.